Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Cashfree Payment Gateway integration for Odoo. It enables the fast, secure and reliable online payments directly from the ERP. It supports the Indian rupee with the real-time payment confirmation and a smooth checkout experience. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just going to the website module. So here under the configuration, you will find one option for the payment providers. So here you have to enable it in the test mode and select the company and the website. Under the credentials, you have to add your cash free credentials. After that, I'm just going to the home page and selecting the shop, and I'm just going to add one product to the cart. Now I'm just going to pay for the same. So here you can see one payment wizard is open and we have to proceed to pay for the same. So here we have a multiple options. So here I'm selecting the card. Here you have to add the card details. Now I'm just going to pay for the same. So here you have to enter the OTP. I'm just going to add it as a success. You can see our payment is proceeded successfully. You can see one sale order is also created for our order. Now again I'm just going to the website and under the configuration you will find the payment transaction. Here I'm selecting the latest one. So here you can see the payment details are reflected and the payment method and the provider details are also fetched over here. One sale order is also created from the website. After that, I'm selecting that payment. So here you can see the unique memo number is also fetched over here. If you want to make the refund for the same, you just have to click on this refund. And I'm just proceeding further. So here you can see one refund is also created for our order. And the journal entries are also created. If you want to see the refunds, you just have to click on this. So from here you can able to find all the details for the refund. And here in the child transactions, you can also see the refund entries. So that's how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.